What's up YouTube, it's your girl Heaven and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be installing this kinky straight unit from EUBEAUTY off of Amazon. It is 13 by 4 and it is 18 inches, 150 density. Right here I'm just applying some foundation to the lace and adjusting my adjustable straps so that I can put it on my head. Now I'm going to be showing you all the variety of this lace and how natural it looks. Mind you, I have not bleached the knots yet. I didn't do any plucking. This is how the wig comes, and all I did was add foundation to the lace. Right here I'm going to be slicking my edges back because I don't melt my wig caps anymore. That's only because I want to protect my edges, and honestly I don't wear my wigs long enough to be doing all that extra. And if it sounds like I'm out of breath, baby, I am. Okay? I am, because I am pregnant and I just be out of breath. But yeah, so I'm blow drying this cap. The cap is not going to glue to my head, it's just to secure my edges to make sure that the glue doesn't stick to it. And yeah, now right here I'm going to be taking some even glue and applying one layer. I probably put up 2 fingers because I was going to do 2 layers, but I'm only going to apply 1 layer because this glue is really good and it holds well. And again, I don't wear my wigs that long, so I'm not even about to do all of that. But as long as you spread your glue evenly and make sure it's dried evenly, when you go to apply your lace, it should stick and it'll last for at least a week. So right here, I'm just adjusting the wig onto my big old head. Now where I did mess up was I over dried the corners of my hair, like by the ear flaps. And so I had to go in with some even spray and blow dry that a little bit before applying my elastic band, just to make sure that it didn't slide back, because that's what was happening right here. But yeah, so then after I blow dry it, I'm gonna add my elastic band. And yes, it's gonna skip to a new scene because like I said, y'all, I am pregnant, okay? So I start to style my hair, but I don't finish until the next day, okay? So just bear with me, okay? Now I'm just gonna be styling the lace. I'm gonna use some biotherapy oil, silken oil to flat iron with. I am also cutting the ends because they were uneven, but I really regret it after watching the video because it was not that bad. I was bugging, but I'm gonna straighten it, and yeah. So like I was saying, I am pregnant. I'm currently 21 weeks, so I'm just trying to, get back into the flow of things when it comes to YouTube and what kind of content I actually want to post. So I will be trying to post more wig reviews, wig installs, maybe clothing hauls, maybe even product reviews. So yeah, if that's something that y'all are interested in seeing, please comment below and let me know so that I can make that happen for y'all. Now back to the wig. Like I was saying, I didn't really do much to manipulate the wig. I did not bleach the knots. I didn't do any plucking. All I did was add some foundation, cut the lace, do this little baby hairs. I'm gonna also do some like sideburns in a few seconds, but that's pretty much all I did, and it looks really natural to me. I chose to do a blunt cut because, like I said, the ends were uneven, but they weren't as bad as I thought now that I watched the video. I also added some concealer to make my part look natural and, you know, neat or whatever. But besides that, I don't have any complaints about this hair. It doesn't shed. It's very natural looking. It's easy to manage. And yeah, so if y'all like this video, please let me know in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.